Hello, we are going to solve the question above in this video. This is a typical question about geometric series. This type of question is usually asked in A-level or IB past papers. So let's try this.
These are the sum formulas of geometric series. We are going to use formula number 1 and 2 to solve this question. Formula number 1 is to use to find the value of term number n in a geometric series. Formula number 2 is used to find sum to infinity of the geometric series. Question. Given that the geometric series 2 plus x square over 2 plus x cube over 4 and so on is convergent, state the possible range of values of x. Given also that the sum to infinity is 8 times the value of the common ratio, find the value of x. This is the answer for the first question. A geometric series is convergent if and only if the absolute value of the common ratio is strictly less than 1. To find the common ratio, apply the formula. R equals to T1 over T2. The first term is T1 equals to 2. The second term is T2 equals to x. R equals to T1 over T2 equals to x over 2. We apply that common ratio into this inequalities. The absolute value of R is less than 1. The absolute value of x over 2 is less than 1. X over 2 is between -1 and +1. X is between -2 and +2. That is the answer to the first question. The possible range of values of x is between -2 and +2. To answer the second question, we need to find the sum to infinity. Sum to infinity is a over 1 minus r. A is the first term, which is 2. R is the common ratio, which is x over 2 from the previous calculation. Then we substitute the value of a and r into s infinity. S infinity is as 2 over 1 minus x over 2. We can simplify that by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. S infinity is 4 over 2 minus x. The question mentioned that sum to infinity is 8 times the common ratio. S infinity equals to 8r. We substitute the value of S infinity and r into this equation. 4 over 2 minus x equals to 8 times x over 2. 4 over 2 minus x equals to 4x. 1 over 2 minus x equals to x. When we do cross multiplication, we get 1 equals to x multiplied by 2 minus x. Then we expand the right-hand side. 1 equals to 2x minus x square. We shift all the terms to the left-hand side. X square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Then we factorize the left-hand side. X minus 1 square equals to 0. X equals to 1. Remember to verify that the x value is within the possible range of values. X is between -2 and +2. 1 is between -2 and +2. Therefore, the solution x equals 1 is valid. That is the answer of the second question. The value of x is 1.